do like that, and then you go like that.
Excuse me, are you Mountain Man?
Yeah.
Are there Bigfoot up here?
Yeah, I think he's sleeping right now.
Oh, you know him?
He's a pretty friendly guy, unless if you heard him.
Oh. What's his name?
Fred.
Oh, Fred. Does he have any children?
Few, but they died.
Why?
He ate them. Funny, but very heartbreaking for the wife.
So why did he eat them?
Hungry. Very hungry.
Hmm.
Very hungry.
What does he eat anyway?
He's people.
Oh. What?
What's up?
Uh.
You want to get on this bad side?
Do you think?
Ow!
Do you think he's
Ow!
hungry?
Ow!
Ow!
Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Michael Jackson.
How do you know if he's hungry or not?
Oh,
Is he hungry right now?